And that's real talk. What's good, Real Talk family? It's your girl Brizzy, and we are back at it again on the channel. Hey, if this your first time stopping to the channel though, welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content like this. And without further ado, you already know, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, now in today's video, your girl is finna cook for you guys today. Like I said I was, and I know it's been a little minute, but now I got a little bit of free downtime to myself. So I was like, yeah, why not do a little bit of content on it? So yeah, here I am today, finna cook for you guys. And yeah, let's not waste no time, let's just get into it. So yeah, in today's video, you guys, we're gonna cook shrimp and chicken wraps. Just real simple today. We ain't gonna do too much, you know, just keep it real simple. Something, you know, an idea you can cook when you out on the road, when you do start cooking, when you have the spare time. So, you know, you want to have your seasonings out, your wraps. You want to have too your chicken, your shrimp, lettuce, tomato, condiments, things like that. And yeah, let's not waste no time, let's just get the recording. Part, which is go ahead and cooking the chicken breast and the shrimp. You guys, now I don't got no darn like olive oil, so we're just gonna improvise, man. Improvise, y'all know the vibes, man. We out here in these streets, man. Gotta do what we gotta do. You feel me? Let's make it happen. While the food cooking and stuff, your girl is a clean as I go person. So everybody got $1. I don't care what nobody say, everybody got $1. So when you cooking and stuff, don't be having your dishes everywhere. Have some system going, you know what I'm saying? Put your dishes in here. Make sure you get your a dish like, you know, draining for the water to come off it. So get one of these. Only $1. It's not gonna hurt you guys, I promise you. And yeah, this is how your girl basically keep herself organized when I'm in here cooking. Not how I warm up my water. Honestly, I just get me a bowl and I just take my water, like a jug of water or water bottles. That's why I always try to keep a lot of water in here. Excuse me. And I just put it in a bowl and then I put it in the microwave, you guys, up here. So Just warm up the water like that, and then get your dish detergent and your bleach and stuff, and then just get to washing your dishes. So go ahead, get this dishwater going. You guys like y'all, but your girl just doing barbecue and mayo, so do y'all say if y'all like it. Your girl real simple, honestly. So yeah. It's your girl Brizzy, and I'm out.